crazy thunderstorm swing by last night. Unit doesn't have any power. Going to it at least. I don't see anything light up. Could be a transformer. Could be a breaker tripped. Let's see what we got on the power side. Gonna go the R in common. Push the door switch in. 0 volts, so we have no power getting to the board. Your transformer here. Or neutral. I got my headlamp. 1 second. Nothing on that end. I think this is your high volt. Nothing on that end, so let's go to the breaker. I guess it's the parts department. Yeah, let me see if we can get the breaker access. Alright, so we found the breaker and nothing is tripped. I'm just going to make sure that we have power coming into the system, and then at that point I just diagnose a bad transformer. But let me go verify this. Also, this furnace should not be operational because look at that, there's no, like, we're missing a whole part of the exhaust. So we cannot run the furnace at all. So I'm just going to stick my leads in here and see if we get any voltage. Alright, so I'm not getting any voltage. And that switch is on the on position. So either that's not the right panel. It's kind of confusing, I don't know. Do this one more time. Alright, so I get 120 there. So it looks like a transformer. I'm getting 120 and then 0 at the board. No fuses popped. Alright, so I got the door switch pin close. Oh, 120. I get 120 coming in. Nothing to the board. So to me that points to a transformer, because I got 120 going in, but nothing coming out. Let me see if I can get this on camera. So we had 120 there. In the black and neutral we had 120. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but we got 120. Try this one more time. So with these in, I am getting 0. Both leads, 0 volts. Okay. So with the old transformer, blue and red's your low volt, 24. Black and white is your 120, with white being neutral. What to do is just cut these off and back like they were. So we should have power. Y'all can see that. So now it turns on. We have confirmed 120 going in and then 24 going out. So I'm going to put this door panel back on and make sure that the outdoor is cooling. But obviously this furnace cannot operate. It's just not even safe. Obviously I'm going to give them a quote here for a furnace and a flue pipe. And that's going to really be it.
That's all I hear him say.